There you go. Leave that there. Get that later. Okay.
Thầy phỏng cái bút vào tai.
What are you doing? Don't show me to anyone. Anyway, right. What are we doing today? Oh, okay. Hello, Miss Kwang Ming. Today we'll go through your homework that you did yesterday. Hopefully it won't take very long, but it might take very long. And then we'll go through the quizzes. I had planned to do a quiz or a test with you guys this weekend. That's not going to happen. We haven't done enough review yet for you guys to do a test, so you'll have a test next week. That's it.
What test?
Test. Unit 7 test.
I don't like this.
Okay. I like tests. If I like tests, you like tests. There we go. That's about it. Unfortunately, in these situations, whether you like or don't like tests means about this much to me. I really, 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 really don't care that you don't like them. You're going to do them and you're going to do well in them. And if you don't do well in them, that's it. Right. So you'll be doing a test next week. And then we're going to move on to your grade 4 book. We're not going to do yeah, grade 4 as well. The grade 4 book will be better. We're going to do a unit about energy. Energy is fun. There's lots of like little experiments that we can do at home with energy as well. So we'll actually do quite a lot of experiments in that unit at home, which is fun as well. Camera on, please. Hannah, if you can put your camera on too. Thank you so much. So let's jump straight into your homework. So you can't. Okay, fine. Homework. Show me your homework. I want to see that it is in front of you. Caroline, where's your homework?
I do it on my computer.
Right.
On
okay,
iPad.
Cool. Kwang Ming, where's your homework?
With me.
Okay. Homework. Emma. Okay, thank you. Emma, I'll give you 5 seconds to answer me. I'm going to kick you out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool. Emma, not paying attention. You can go into the waiting room. Good job. Ocean, where's your homework?
I put an other room.
Well, go get it. Hacker, homework.
Wait a minute, I need to touch.
Go get it. Cindy, homework.
I do it on my iPad.
Put it on your iPad.
And then I up.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, fine, as long as it's done. And why are anyone able to talk to everyone? That's not good. Okay, no. Okay, and Hannah, do you have your homework?
Yes.
Hey, Chi, show me your homework. Yeah, you gotta have this homework out. You gotta be able to check it. It's ridiculous if you can't check it. It's pointless. So, where are the rest of the students? Where's Mickey? Where's Ming Ha? Where's Sao? Where's Leo? Miss Land, can you please contact the parents of the missing children if we could? Thank you. Sitting here with only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 kids. What's going on? Where's the rest of them? There we go. There's one. B, where's your homework? Show me your homework, please. There we go. 2. Great stuff. Big hacker, Ming Chi, get out of the camera. Go away. Stop distracting your brother.
I am not disturbed my brother. My brother.
Yeah, your brother's going to distract me, and then he will distract you. So keep him away. Right. Okay. All right. Let's just get started. I can't be waiting around forever. Okay. Is it this? Yes. Okay. So we're going to go through. No, not that one. Stupid Ryan. I'm going to go through the lesson quiz together. Check your answers. Make sure they're right. Make sure you can understand them as well. Okay. So let's do this. Caroline, question 1 for me, please.
The graph shows weather for each season in a capital city. The first graph shows the average temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. The
Fahrenheit.
second graph
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. The second graph shows average precipitation in
Inches.
inches.
Okay.
Which
What
type
is your right?
of
A, B, C, or D?
is hot and wet?
Hot and wet. Okay. Why is it hot and wet?
Because the precipitation is low and the temperature in summer is high.
So the precipitation is low, so that means it's wet. Kwang Ming, what did you write? A, B, or C, A, B, C, or D?
I write question 2.
Question 1. A, B, C, or D?
Cold and wet. C.
Cold,
D.
cold and wet. You're right with the cold bit. Ocean, A, B, C, or D?
B.
D. Okay, right. What's the first thing you should all do when you see this question? Now, what's the first thing you should do?
I think it is hot and wet.
Okay, that's not what I asked you. I asked you, what's the first thing you should do when you see this question? If you see it's in degrees Fahrenheit, what should you do? From mute, Sal. Come on, go.
Can you read again the question?
I didn't read anything. I said the question to you. I said, what's the first thing you do when you see a question like this? I said this to you guys yesterday as well.
I see the temperature.
Okay, and what do you do with the temperature?
If the temperature is high, it will be
No, incorrect. Hannah,
and the temperature. If we see the temperature is not familiar, we will research in Google or the internet.
yes, exactly. If the temperature is in Fahrenheit, which you guys clearly do not understand, you need to change it to Celsius. So the temperatures in Celsius are actually, winter is -11, spring is 2, summer is 12, and fall is 2. So look at that again. So Hacker, is the temperature hot or cold?
The temperature is so cold.
It's cold, right? Okay, so the temperature is cold. We know it's not A or B. Now, is it dry or wet? We have 1 month, 2 months where there is less than 1 inch of rain. That's pretty dry. Okay, in fact, that's really, really dry. So in this case, the answer is C. It's cold and it's dry because the weather is really, really cold and there's not that much rain. Okay, so this is how I want you to think about these questions in the future. Make sure you get all the right information first. Don't just look at it and go, oh, that sounds right. No, Look at the information. Understand the information. Caroline, you even said it yourself. You said, oh, the precipitation is low. Then you said it was wet. Huh? That makes sense. So again, these types of questions, you got to slow down. Slow down. Put in the right information. Make sure you understand it. As Hannah said, make sure you are familiar with it. If you're familiar with it, you'll be able to understand it better as well. Yes, Hannah, do you have a question?
No.
Your own? Okay, cool. Let me just put your hand down. Oh, Zoom is updated, so I have to click on like 3 buttons now to lower your hand. It's really annoying. Okay, question number 2. Which weather is most likely in a tropical climate near the equator? Emma.
It is rainy and hot.
Rainy and hot. Yes, exactly. It's raining hot. Now, the easiest way to explain that is like this. Oh, I'm gonna draw a picture. No, come on. There we go. Here we have the Earth, and then we'll put in the equator. There. Now, here in the middle, we have the tropical zone. You got the tropical zone there, right? Now, in the tropical zone, you mostly get lots of rainforests. Rainforests happen in the tropical zone. Rainforest is called a rainforest because lots of rain, right? Lots and lots and lots of rain. So in this case, you have it's really, really hot and you got lots and lots of rain. So the climate is rainy and hot, rainy and hot. We've done that lots and lots of times. You can tell me what's the climate like in the temperate zone? Guangming. Is it hot or cold? Hot, cold, or mild? Temperate zone. Hot, cold, or mild?
Hot.
No. Vicky, temperate zone. Hot, cold, or mild?
I think it's mild.
Yeah. Is it wet or dry?
Wet.
Excellent. Cindy, climate zone, or sorry, climate for the polar zone. Hot or cold?
Climate from a polar zone is cold.
And is it dry or wet?
Wet.
No.
No, dry.
Right, yes. Chi, Sao, camera's on now. If I ask you again, I'll remove you from the classroom. Okay, so here we go. Dry and hot, no. Dry and cold, that would be the polar zone. Rainy and cold. Okay, so right now, City 1 is located on the coast. City 2 is not near water. How does the climate of City 1 differ from City 2? P, what's the answer?
Can you talk again?
Question number 3.
City 1 is wetter and milder temperatures.
Okay, how do you know that's the answer? How do you know? Do not say because Ryan told you. Okay. Caroline, how do you know that's the answer?
But my answer is different from her.
Okay, well then your answer is wrong. Anna, how is the answer? How is D correct?
It is because City 1 is located on the coast and the coast has mild temperatures. City 2 is set not near water, so City 1 can be wetter.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, cool. So again, I asked you to turn your camera on. You haven't turned the camera on. go sit in the waiting room, please, until you decide to do what you're supposed to do. Okay, I'll explain this again to you guys, okay? So let's take Hanoi and Haiphong, okay? Hanoi and Haiphong. So which one is closer to the sea, Caroline?
Haiphong.
Haiphong. So let's draw in the sea. Sea. There we go. And ocean. Which city is hotter in summer, Hanoi or Haiphong?
Haiphong.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, you're not. Hacker. So exactly. Hanoi is hotter during summer. And which one is colder during winter? Emma. Emma, which one is colder during winter? Okay, Emma, I've said your name twice now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Emma, fantastic. Not paying attention again. You can go sit in that waiting room. Nikki, which one is colder during winter?
Hanoi.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Hanoi. So there we go. Look, summer Hanoi is hotter, and in colder Hanoi is in winter Hanoi is colder, and summer Hanoi is hotter. This is because the water in places close to the water during summer, water helps Haiphong keep cool, but also during winter it helps Haiphong stay cold or stay warm. So the water actually helps. And think about it like this: who has ever seen a picture of a beach covered in snow? No, you never see a beach covered in snow because the water keeps it hotter. Right? Water keeps it hotter. Leo, hello.
Yeah, am I?
Where are you late?
Because my internet connection is very low.
Okay, why? Did you not put it somewhere high? On a shelf.
No, that's because my house connection, because my internet connection in everywhere is low, teacher. Everywhere.
Okay, cool, fine, fantastic. Question 4, do it for me now.
The table show eventual precipitation in each for one city for full month.
Okay, so what's the answer?
The answer is tornado.
Tornado. Precipitation, and we're talking about tornadoes. No, not at all. Mingha, question 4, what's the answer?
Question for the answer. I think it's C.
C, drought, okay. And now, camera on. Make me ask again. Chi, camera on. Not make me ask again or I'll remove you from the class again. Emma, what's a drought? Emma, hello. Emma, hello.
Yes.
What's a drought?
A drought is when the weather is too hot, the ground gets
Okay, Sal, what's a drought? Sal, hello. Caroline, what's a drought?
Drought is like the land is very dry and it did not have a water for the tree to live.
Yeah, okay. So a drought is an extended period without rain. Okay? So a period without rain. A long period without rain. Okay, question number 5. This is a simple, easy one. Ocean, 5. What's the answer?
And the answer is drought.
Question 5.
August.
Well done. Okay. Question 6. Patterns. Describe the climate of each of these 2 zones. So describe the climate and the pattern as well. Hannah, what is the climate of the polar zone?
In the polar zone, it is cold. It is also dry too.
Polar zones are cold and dry. And where are they? They are closest to
The poles.
poles. There you go. All of you, this is how I want you to answer these questions. Except polar zones is 2 words. Okay, and temperate zones, please. Hacker, describe the temperate zones for me, please.
The temperate zones is different from a polar zone.
Temperate zones are they hot, cold, or mild?
The temperate zones are hot.
No, mild. And cold or wet or dry?
Wet.
Wet. Good stuff. Where are they? They are
They are
in between.
up down of equator.
No, they're in between.
In between the equator.
No. Look at the picture.
Tropical and polar.
Yeah. Tropical and polar zones. Right. Anyone who does not have this answer written down, write that down now. Anyone who does not have that answer, write that answer down right now. I don't see enough people writing. Mingha, did you write that? Do you have that exact answer? Mingha, hello.
Yes.
Do you have that exact answer? No, so write it down. Right. What can I do? Question 7. And Abram recorded high temperatures and precipitation over a month. Why were their information different? Sal, I've already warned you about your camera. T, I've warned you as well. Cindy, question 7. What's your answer? Cindy, I can't hear you. Can't hear you at all. Mickey, 7, please.
I think is
Mr. Ryan,
Domingo.
I did not finish question 6.
It's okay. You get this video. You can do it later.
I didn't finish this question.
You didn't finish this question. Why?
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, what have I told you before about asking questions if you don't know how to do something? I don't want people just sitting there doing nothing. There's no point. If you do not understand something, you ask a question. You don't just sit there. Imagine you went out for food and you were asked, oh, what would you like? I don't know. You just sat there. You sat there for hours, hours, did nothing because you didn't think, ask, oh, what's good? Ask for help. Don't sit there. I said this to you numerous times. If you do not understand something, you ask a question. You do not sit there. You do not do nothing. You do not be lazy. I do not accept lazy students in my classroom. If you want to be lazy, don't come to class. Simple as. I won't miss you. You want to be lazy? Go. Ming, what did you write for question 7?
My answer was, I think Dana and Abraham record the different climate zone.
Because they're in different climate zones, okay? And now, what did you write for question 7? Now, hello. All right, so you're as well to just not be here. Go into the waiting room again. Perfect. Chi, question 7.
I forgot to do question 7.
How can you forget to do it? Impossible. I don't believe that. Go to your parents as well. Great. Caroline.
I think Dana and Abraham is in the different place, and the place have a different climate and temperature and precipitation.
Perfect. Yeah, they're in different places. Hannah, what did you write?
I write that maybe Dana and Abraham recorded in different temperature and rainfall. It is because they are in different places so that it can get different.
They're in different places, they get different results. Simple as. Okay, right. I am annoyed again at just general behavior. Like, wake up in grade 4. Start acting like it. Not babies anymore. Oh, I didn't see questions. Oh, I didn't know how to do it. You're in grade 4. Don't accept that anymore. Wake up, grow up. And become good students. Right. I'm gonna go through some of the quizzes we did yesterday. Go through some of the answers, make sure you understand them. And double check any misunderstandings. And then I'll give you homework and then we're done for the day. Okay, let's go. Hey, this climate has long, cold winters and cool summers. It's located near the poles. Caroline.
Polar climate.
Polar climate, yes, easy. Hannah, next one, please. What type of weather instrument is this?
Anemometer.
Perfect, thank you. Emma, next question. A supercell spawns a funnel cloud that touches the ground is called what, Emma?
A tornado.
Tornado, yes, perfect. Sal, next question. Which of the following best describes weather? Sal.
Long-term
conditions.
condition.
Months, years, months, yes, months. No, weather, day to day. Weather, day to day. Weather, day to day. Pay attention. The person who studies the Earth's atmosphere and monitors and forecasts, Leo.
Meteorologist.
Meteorologist, yes. You can tell me, what does a seismologist do? What does a seismologist study? Anyone? Any ideas? Ocean, what does a seismologist study? No. Oh, a seismologist. Listen to the question. Well done. Good job. Caroline, what does a seismologist study?
A study about atmosphere.
No. Sal, what does a seismologist study?
Meteorologist predict the
No, listen to the question. What does a seismologist study? Emma. Seismologist studies earthquakes. What about a volcanologist? Who think they know? I mean,
I think volcanologist studies volcano.
volcanoes, perfect. Yes, great stuff. Thank you, whoever's in the background there as well. And geologist, what do you think a geologist studies? Studies rocks. Right answer, meteorologist. Okay, what is considered the driving force for Earth's climate? Ocean.
The sun.
Sun, yeah, sun. The tool is used to measure wind speed. Mickey. 1, 2, 3, or 4.
1 and 2.
1.
Cindy, next question. What does a thermometer measure? Cindy.
It measures temperature.
Temperature. Good job. What storm is funnel-shaped cloud? Mingha.
I think it's tornado.
Tornado. Okay, and G, help me with this one, please. Which is not an example of extreme weather? Which is not extreme weather?
I
Sunny.
cannot see.
What do you mean you can't see?
I can't see anything.
Oh, what can I do? Find the screen. It's shared for everybody. I don't know what you've done if you can't see it. Who keeps turning my video off? Like, because I'm not touching it at all. Right, Hannah, what's the answer?
The answer is sunny.
Cool. Okay. And the following best describes weather is day to day. Cool. Why is that? Okay. And Sal, next question. Precipitation is what?
Oh, above.
All of the above. Precipitation is any water that falls from the sky. So hail, snow, and rain are all water. Okay, Emma, next question. Emma, what are some ways a meteorologist describes the weather conditions?
This is anticipation weathering.
No, it is not. A meteorologist would not describe it that way. Caroline.
It's some clear chance of rain.
Yeah, the way a meteorologist is going to say the weather is sunny. The weather is clear. There is a chance of rain today. Leo, next question, please. Climate zone has cold winters and hot summers. The seasons vary. These zones are further from the equator and the poles. The answer is
Temperate zone.
temperate climate. Yes. Ocean, you're next. Which of these best describe the term climate?
Taken over a long period of time.
Yeah, taken over a long period of time. Climate zone has long hot summers and warm winters. These zones are found near the equator. Hacker. Cool. What's the answer?
I think it's polar. I think it's tropical climate.
Tropical climate. Yes. Okay. Who we not have for a while? Mingha. What is the
Yes.
cause of rising, warmer surface temperatures of the Pacific Ocean, drought in the western United States, and flooding on the Pacific coast?
El Nino.
El Nino. Yes. Cindy, next question, please. Hurricanes develop in what type of region?
Hurricanes develop in tropical regions.
Yes, tropical region. Well done. Hannah, next question, please. What is a meteorologist?
A weather forecaster.
Yes. Which climate zone are rainforests located?
Sharifi.
Leo.
A tropical zone.
Zone. What occurs when water flows or collects over land that is usually dry? T.
Flood.
Flood, yes, flood. Oh. All right, good job. Pretty happy with that. Okay, so again, for your homework, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a quizzes, a pretty long one, probably about 40 questions from everything in Unit 7. I want you to make sure that you do well in the quizzes. So go through it again. Don't do it just once, do it twice, do it 3 times. Get 80% or higher. I want you to get 80% or higher.
I get 100%.
Okay, so you keep going until you get 100%. Fine, perfect. So go again, do it again until you get, as Sal said, 100%. Do it as many times as you need to. We will then go through some review next week for the rest of Unit 7, and then Ryan. Yes.
Mr. Ryan, what is the homework?
Congratulations, Emma, for not paying attention. Anyone please tell Emma what the homework is? Yes, Mingha. Quizzes.
It's
Quizzes.
Emma,
question long.
yeah, Emma not paying attention today at all. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a good weekend.
Bye.